The opposition movement in Masvingo and beyond has been plunged into mourning following the death of seasoned activist Ashford Mutizwa Mudzengi, who passed away on Sunday after a short illness. Salabina mashoko budanyi kwa achenze, prominent Masvingo opposition activist dies. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mnamu budanyi kwa mchenze. Ashford Mutizwa Mudzengi, a former movement for democratic change and citizen coalition for change TPC activist, was remembered as a committed cadre who dedicated much of his life to student and national politics, often at a great personal cost. In a heartfelt tribute, former MDC and TPC youth activist Patrick Danga reflected on their shared journey in the struggle dating back to their days in student activism. In quotes, "So, we were young in the struggle. We only had each other to depend on, pushing from the student unions in ASU. Back then, we became family," said Danga. "We would always check on each other. I was at MSU with Masaraure, Obed, Salino Mutle Mlambo. But we knew in Blawaya we had comrades who would do anything to keep the struggle going, and that is Ashford Mutizwa Mudzengi." Danga also recalled a tight-knit group of activists who stood together during difficult times, naming the late Vivid Gwede alongside Patrick Danga himself, Mulungi Sidwe Lungi, Samson Zidwe Kumalo, and Manyarazi Taroa. In quotes, renowned politicians like Moms Skoko 7 and Tabita Kumalo knew what we believed in and molded us to keep pushing, he said. According to Danga, Mudzengi's activism following him into tertiary education, where he paid a heavy price for his political convictions. "We graduated and pushed to national politics from MDC under the late President Morgan Richard Changirai," said. "We would sing Saddam Waenda Sare Bobo so loud that we believed change was so close." Despite political shifts within the opposition, Danga said Mudzengi remained consistent and unwavering. From MDC, like many of us, Papa moved to MDC Alliance, then CCC, to a point where most comrades of our generation ran for public office, he said. Ashi was still pushing and motivating people to push. Though my developments anobuda nenawo pamusoro awa pekutsakatika kana kuti kutisiya kwaita Masvingo opposition activist. Like comment section medu za fungulo enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell like.